Talk is cheap, action speaks. Let's look at practical sparring for the Nandao chop.
And kick when the opponent turns around.
The first chop strikes his spirit, the second shakes his courage, and the third takes his life. Let me demonstrate what this chopping technique looks like in a Nandao routine. Turnaround chop. Earlier I explained an offensive technique. Now let's talk about the defensive technique, the parry. It sounds simple, like 4 directions, left, right, up, down. This parry technique has its own subtle brilliance in real combat on the ground. Nandao techniques are diverse and ever-changing. If used cleverly, they can serve both for self-defense and performance. How great is that? When you practice Nandao single-handed, you can execute wrist flowers, thrusts and stabs, and even combine it with fist techniques like straight punches, hammer punches, and charging punches. Alright, that's it for this re-edited Nandao video. I trimmed it down to keep it short and straight to the point. Life's been super busy lately, but I always do my best to bring you good stuff. Let me know in the comments if you like this shorter format. Hope you guys are doing great. Love you all, and I'll catch you in the next one.